こんにちは。わ。はまはまはまはまはまはま。はん。Day 9漢字 N5 今日も5漢字 Let's go study First one Can you read? 3 2 1はは上 This kanji 上 which means up and this one 3 2 1 go 下 which means down up and down 上下 This one 3 2 1右 which means right 右右 and this one left 3 2 1左 okay which means left 左カタカナロ右 has カタカナのロ left has カタカナエokay this one 3 2 1 go 前 which means front this one this kanji is 前 okay now I will show you how to write okay let's go 上 1 2 3 that's it okay 下 1 2 3 small too small it's okay like this 下右 has カタカナロ 1 2 3 4 5 カタカナロ右 OK not bad 左 1 2 3 4 5 左 looks cool 次too much 前 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and then カタカナリ 1 2 前not bad always positive okay this is day 9 good job everybody I think you almost learn 100 no still 50 kanji okay day 9 is done tomorrow is day 10また明日ありがとう